In a world where seconds define greatness, Feliks Zemdegs shocked the globe by breaking the 3x3 Rubik's Cube record. Fans watched his fingers flash like lightning, turning a puzzle into a spectacle of speed, precision, and breathless energy. He trained for years with targeted drills, metronomes, and exact algorithms, optimizing grip, look ahead, and every split-second decision. Behind the scenes, a meticulous plan tracked practice hours, tournament strategies, and mental routines that turned a hobby into a legend. As the world watched, the moment became a viral spark, and viewers are asked, would you take on the challenge?